Pocket Option Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Pocket Option Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Pocket Option, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Pocket Option, it is a contemporary trading platform designed for trading in financial markets, in which offering a user-friendly interface and a variety of innovative features. And it allows users to create free accounts with no minimum investment or trades amounts. And it provides a demo account with virtual money to practice trading without financial risk. And the platform has to introduce several unique trading options, including social trading, tournaments, and various types of trading such as Forex, empty pipe, and quick trading modes. And now to start signing up on the affiliate program of Pocket Option, you can simply click the affiliate link below the description, in which you will be directed on this page. And to register, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including your email, and also to create your own password in here. And after that, just click the sign up button below here to proceed signing up. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on this left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here home, top 10, affiliate links, offers, statistics, postbacks, payments, analytics, promo materials, and contests. While on the top panel, you could also navigate here your total visitors, registration, FTD deposits, withdrawals, hold, commissions, and balances. Now under this home page, from here it will show you the dashboard, including some of the motivation bonus and other updates in here. Now moving on to top 10 option, by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of the top 10 earners or affiliates in here. You'll be able to see here their number of deposits, count of FTDs, sum of deposits, and even their partner, which the top 10 affiliate rankings in Pocket Option are updated every Monday based on the number of total amount of first-time deposits or FTDs over the last 30 days. And aside from that, moving on, we could also navigate here on the left side panel is affiliate links, in which as an affiliate, you will receive unique referral links that you can use to attract new traders to the platform. We have here affiliate links, my promo codes, mobile links, sub-affiliate program, and registration forms. And under affiliate links, you can simply copy this smart link, in which these links are essential for tracking the activity of referred clients and calculating commissions earned by the affiliates. And below here, you could also create your new affiliate link or campaign by filling out all of this required information. We have here campaign name, offer type, which is only a revenue share, and also this promo code. So basically, when a new client signs up and start trading through an affiliate links, the affiliate earns a percentage of the profit generated by the client and creating a passive income stream. And in these affiliate panels, it will allow participants to manage their accounts, monitor referral activities, and analyze the effectiveness of their marketing strategies in real time. And now, to proceed, just click this create button to start creating new affiliate link. Then below here, it will show you that your affiliate links have now been created. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you under this campaign some of the list of link type, referral link that you could also use. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also earn money using some of the codes in here, such as promo codes, mobile links, sub-affiliate program, and many more. By clicking my promo codes, from here affiliates can utilize promo codes as part of their marketing strategies to attract new clients, in which these promo codes can offer bonuses or incentives to potential traders who sign up through an affiliate's referral link. And below here, you could also start creating your new promo code. But make sure that you also follow all of these terms and conditions before doing that. In which affiliates can share these codes across various platforms such as social media, websites, and email campaigns to enhance their promotional efforts. And in this affiliate panel provides tools for generating and managing these promo codes, allowing affiliates to track their effectiveness in driving new registration and deposits. And you could also navigate here some of the affiliate links in here, including mobile links, sub-affiliate program, and registration forms. However, in those options, let's say we're going to choose these affiliate links. And aside from that, you could also use some other social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. And choosing the right platform with different social media platforms cater to different demographics and content types. From many of those social media platforms, you can develop a high-quality engaging posts that highlight the benefits of the product or service you're promoting, such as this Pocket Option. Or alternatively, you could also use some other platform including this canva.com in creating an eye-catching graphics, infographics, or videos that can explain the platform's features such as high commission rates and user-friendly interface. And as you can see in here, we have here a variety of templates that you can choose. And by customizing some of this template, you can now start creating an engaging graphic content. And as you can see, I just choose this sign up templates. And from here, using on the left side panel and some of the option of editing tools, we can start customizing this kind of templates, including this background color, some of this context or content, and even this button right here. So for instance, from here, I'm going to change this context. Instead of want to become a better leader, I'm going to enter here, want to have a passive income. Then below, I'm going to change this button into sign up today. And aside from that, you could also change this kind of context or even link some of the link or affiliate links in here, in which when a user try to click this link, they will be automatically directed in the registration when they can sign up to packet option. So for instance, I'm going to enter here, click this link. And in order to integrate the link within this context, all you need to do is to simply highlight this text by double clicking on here. Then click this link and it will show you that you can simply enter here or paste the link. Then click done to proceed. So make sure that you also copy the smart link or any of this affiliate link and click done to proceed. And now as you can see, the link has now been integrating on this text. We could also do the same thing on this sign up today text by double clicking on it and click link and paste the link of our referral link. And upon clicking done, as you can see, we have now successfully linked or integrate our referral or affiliate link in here. And aside from that, if you also want to post this kind of graphic content, you could also include all of your affiliate links in your post to make sure it's easy to find, and perhaps by placing it at the end of your post or in the comment section. Consider it using shorter links to make the link more user-friendly. And after that, you could also engage with your audience to respond to comments and questions promptly. Engaging with your followers can build trust and encourage them to click on your affiliate link. And you could also use your social media account, such as your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, to post regularly, since consistency is the key, in which you can share the updates about pocket option trading tips or success stories from your referrals to keep your audience interested and informed. Moving on, we could also navigate here on the left side panel, the offers, in which it will show us in here all of our offers by profile levels. We have here brand, regular, premium, and VIP, in which each level it will show you in here the revenue sharing difference and even the include turnover. They also offer here the special offer that you can earn up to 80% of your revenue sharing. Moving on to statistics, by simply clicking on the left side panel, you will be able to see here all of the data of your performance, the common traders statistics, some affiliates, and even the history. It will show you the number of visits for this month, number of FTD, deposit, withdrawal summary, and many more, and even your commissions. Now on the left side panel, by clicking this payments option, we can simply navigate our payments to link some of the payment method that we could also link our account in order to start withdrawing some of our commission in here. From here, we can navigate the wallet's history, commissions, and request a withdrawal. And below here, it will show you some of the payment details that you can choose. But overall, that is just basically how you can use or join to the affiliate program of Packet option. Thank you.